Welcome. If you want to activate Vanish Mode in your Messenger on Android smartphone, at first you have to open your Messenger application, and after that you have to enter for the conversation. For example, let's go for this one. Then we have to click on the icon right here on the left upper corner, and then click on the Vanish Mode. So you have to simply tap on this switcher, and when you go back you can see right here that the Vanish Mode is turned on. So right now here we get also description of this feature. So click OK, and right now you are in and you are able to send messages that will disappear when we close the chat. And if you want to turn off this mode, you have to click right here. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!